Hi everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to read a story with you. Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously? Don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we push it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eh! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost a little more. Okay, there you go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummies to get him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. Thank you for watching. See you next time.